Hello, Peter. Today we will learn some fashion and clothing words in English. Just relax, listen carefully, and focus on the sounds. Many modern brands use simple English words, but these words create strong style and identity. Let's begin. Oversized, heavyweight, streetwear, premium, essential, classic, urban style, limited edition, signature collection. Oversized means clothing with a larger and more relaxed fit. Very common in modern streetwear fashion. Heavyweight means thick and heavy fabric, usually stronger, warmer, and more premium. Streetwear is urban fashion, inspired by music, skate culture, hip-hop, and modern lifestyle. Premium means high quality, something better, stronger, and more refined. Essential means basic and important. Simple clothing for everyday style. Classic means timeless style. Something that never disappears from fashion. Now listen to these clothing words. Hoodie, t-shirt, sneakers, jacket, pants, jeans, cap, boots, sweater, shorts. Many brands also use words like relaxed fit, slim fit, vintage style, minimal design, luxury streetwear, modern collection, Peter. When you listen carefully every day, your brain slowly starts understanding English naturally. Do not worry about understanding everything now. Just continue listening, repeating, and training your ears. English is not only grammar, it is rhythm, sound, repetition, and confidence. So listen again later. Repeat the words slowly and continue improving, step by step, every day.